50%. The wind was west. The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Jackson County in eastern Arkansas, extreme northeastern White County in central Arkansas, northern Woodruff County in eastern Arkansas, until 8:30 p.m. At 7:36 p.m., the National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 6 miles northwest of Tupelo, or 11 miles north of Augusta, and moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Tupelo, McFadden, Grubbs, Algoa, Weldon, Stegall, Schofner, Possum Grape, Oliphant, Ingleside, Hale, Fitzhugh, Irwin, Blackville, Beattyville, Balch, Amigan, Teague Lake. A tornado watch remains in effect until midnight Central Standard Time Monday morning for Arkansas.